Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. While you can operate your side hustle as a sole proprietorship without turning it into a legal business entity, getting an LLC for your side business can provide added protection and credibility. In this video, we'll give you all the reasons to consider an LLC for your side business, plus tips on when and how to get started. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bizee. Bizee is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bizee is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. Should you set up an LLC for your side hustle? To cut straight to the chase, the answer is a definite yes. In fact, that's exactly what small business experts said when we asked them the same question. When it comes to making a decision about starting an LLC, the answer is easy. Yes, you have the legal protection of the LLC in case something goes sideways in your business, for example, someone sues you or you can't pay your bills. It also separates your business from your personal finances so you can take business tax deductions. Should you start an LLC before making money? While there are costs associated with business formation, starting a business takes money. You'll be spending money on software, marketing materials, all kinds of things. An LLC will allow you to write those expenses off and save money on taxes. If you still need some convincing, let's look at the pros of having an LLC for your side gig. Let's walk you through the benefits of forming an LLC for your side hustle. Liability protection. An LLC will protect your personal assets from any issues that might come up in your business. Having an LLC ensures you have the least risk to your personal belongings and finances if someone takes legal action against your business, like a lawsuit. Separation of personal and business finances. LLC separates a personal and business finances, which is one of the foundational principles of business ownership and can make it easier to take deductions and write-offs. On the financial front, an LLC basically means that you're setting up a separate entity from your personal social security number. Separating your finances will make it easier to file your taxes and see what your business expenses were in order to get the maximum amount of deductions and write-offs possible. Plus, your personal money will be protected in case your LLC faces a lawsuit. Save money. Not only will forming an LLC help you avoid the tax complications mentioned above, but it could also help you save money elsewhere, even if you haven't started turning a profit yet. Privacy and protection. As a side hustler, you likely work out of your home or under your own name. This makes it easier for customers to find information on who you are and where you live. If someone takes legal action against you, you would likely be served at your home residence. Forming an LLC gives you some level of anonymity and ensures your identity is only as available as you want it to be. Credibility and legitimacy. An LLC provides a more professional image and can help build your brand's reputation, which can lead to greater customer trust and loyalty. Creating a brand is critical to your business's success and growth trajectory, and having an LLC is an important step in the process. Now, how to set up your side hustle as an LLC. It's time to launch your side hustle LLC. Follow these steps to get started. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bizee, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bizee provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bizee is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bizee is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bizee is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bizee will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bizee dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bizee will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Get a business address. Since one of the perks of having an LLC is privacy, you probably don't want your home address attached to it. Your side hustle might benefit from using a virtual address service, which gives you a street address in the state in which your LLC is formed. If you don't want to go through all these steps or handle all the paperwork entailed, you may choose to use a business formation service like Bizee, which can form your LLC for $0 plus state fee. Plus, you'll also get your first year of registered agent services completely free, saving you $119. Other LLC considerations for side hustlers. Once you've formed your LLC, there are a few other factors you'll need to consider. Here are some of the biggest considerations when managing your new LLC. Business taxes. When tax season rolls around, you might be wondering, how much money can I make on the side without paying taxes? You can only earn up to $400 annually without needing to pay taxes on your earnings. Take advantage of our small business accounting service to start planning now. Business insurance. Small business owners on the whole are painfully underinsured. You can minimize those risks by getting the proper business insurance for your side gig. If you're operating a side hustle, you're already a business owner, so give yourself a big congrats. Then, get down to business and make things official by filing your LLC. If you form your LLC with Bizee, you'll get lifetime customer support, a free registered agent for the first year, a dashboard to access all of your documents, and more.